classes for Rory's 12 o'clock.
Awesome. Number 3.
Thank you. You too. Can you hear it?
I can't. Oh, now I hear it. Works for you. In this lesson, I'm showing you how to make this composition, and I'm using a 9x12 paper. So I'm going to use these just to frame and hang on the wall as wall art. So if you want to follow along with that sort of format, you can go ahead and get some 9x12 paper. But I also have another idea. And that is you can make postcards with this as well. So, and then laying out the gouache elements, which are these colorful painted elements first, and then going in and using the ink to kind of add to the painting and fill it out a little bit. Along with what you're interested in and you know, how it applies to your own artistic practice and your own hands. So go ahead, and when you're all set, upload your project to the project gallery, and I think it'll be really wonderful. I'd love to see what you make, and also the other students would as well. All right, cool, have fun. I like this tab. It's really cheap. It's like $50 for this tab. I think it's like you get 30 sheets, and it's just, I just think it's nice paper. I like to use it for brushes. Let's see here. It's just a nice synthetic. This is a size 4 round brush, one of my favorite. This is a size 6 round brush from Dirty Doctor. For this kind of thing, I use the smaller round brushes, so size 4 and 6 is what I have. You'll do it. So in this image, I'm going to have mostly the center part of it, the gouache. So I have bursts of color, and then I'm thinking I'm going to just use like black contour lines on the outside of the image with my ink, and I'm just going to do some like foliage or something. And that's what I tend to do with this combination of style. You know, do whatever works for you.
Okay, mine is very iconic. There's definitely too many colors on mine too, but it's ink is really kind of turning things around. What are you doing?
It's just a mess. It's okay. We're fine. We're okay. Echo this girl from the Midwest, you know. Same. Okay. Okay, time to share.